Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. So we're going to talk about the super pump coin, Mindol. It's a Japanese anime manga type coin. It's the tokenization of the anime and manga market. They estimate the market to be at 12 trillion Japanese yen, which is around 120 billion US dollars in Japan, and they estimate the market for that to be even bigger outside of Japan. But I'm basically talking about Mindol because it has hyperpump. This is like the pump that XRP holders and VET holders dream of without having Bitcoin pump up. Now, I don't think they can actually achieve this without actually Bitcoin pumping up, but this is like the pump that people just, like wet themselves over or dream of, because this thing pumped for, this thing was actually already in the millions, like tens of millions in terms of market cap, and it jumped into the hundreds of millions. Now, essentially, this thing at its lowest was 17 cents as late as October 25th. So less than 2 months ago, it was 17.3 cents, and now it is $3.63. So you can actually use Mindol to actually help create content or partake in creating content. And they have a couple of projects, anime manga projects, games with Mindol, but I highly doubt this coin's actually worth $562. I do think it is hyper pumped. Now, this coin actually used a strategy to actually pump themselves this high. You see this, like they didn't really have a market cap until they didn't really have a market cap, which means they didn't reveal how many coins were circulating until a fairly late process, like basically November 22nd. And once they actually revealed the market cap, they were already 166 million, which means that they automatically put themselves like in the top 30 or 40 of market cap. And that attracted a lot of attention. And plus, like, it was also in their period of pump, so people finally noticed that a coin had like plus 500% on a pump, and it suddenly appeared in the top 40. So that really got people to FOMO in, because you all of a sudden appeared out of the top in the top 40 with a plus 500% surge. So people FOMO'd in because they don't want to miss out, and that caused the second surge a few days later. So they used this double-pronged strategy to really pump the coin up. But I can tell it is kind of a pump and dump coin, because look how much it pumped up and came down and then went back up. That is a pretty clear sign that I think it's overpumped, and it will actually come down sometime. But more than that, if you really look at the price across different exchanges, it's vastly different. Like the top exchange, the price is $4.26. I don't know if this wallet is closed or something, because if it isn't, I would just buy at the other exchanges and then sell at this exchange. Like it can't, like, I don't think this could actually be like an open, all these shouldn't be open exchanges, because you can technically buy like some Mindol at 23 cents, even though there's only like $784 worth of volume, or you can buy a Mindol at $237 at buy box and sell it at $426, and that's easy money. So I'm not really sure if all these wallets are open or if they're all communicating with each other, because if they are, the price should actually be about the same. The disjoint price across the exchanges, ranging from 20 cents to 426, means that there's definitely some trickery at play, and the coin, honestly, to me, is not worth that much. The coin will probably sink back down, because if and when, it's when like all these wallets are open at all these different exchanges, people will buy and trade until it hits an equilibrium price. And I'm guessing that equilibrium price is probably under $1, because like the cheapest exchanges have it at 20 something cents, the most expensive exchanges at 426. I don't think you can maintain that difference, and the fact that it's basically a different price on every single exchange basically tells me that it's been hyper pumped. There's not much of a floor on it, and there's very little liquidity, as you can see, and not much support for any of these prices that it can actually sell right through. So right now, I definitely would not buy this coin. Do not chase this pump. You will get wrecked if you probably chase this pump. You might make a little bit of money, but then if you don't sell, you're probably going to get wrecked. So Mindol is a Japanese anime manga coin. Could have some use. It actually could be successful in the future. I don't know about that. But from what I'm seeing in the charts and the numbers, it's definitely more of a pump and dump coin right now, because it is at very different prices across very different exchanges, and that's never a good sign for any coin. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.